One of the factors to choose Zoho Creator was, of course, the fact that it was almost 70% lesser as compared to any of the other products. And for a non-profit organization, that is huge. As on today, we manage close to around 55,000 plus records. So all in all, put together, it's turning out to be an entire ecosystem that is going to power the work that we are doing at Train.
I think Creator is like Lego. It's modular. It can build block by block. Hi, I'm Amisha Prabhu. I represent Train, which is known as Trust for Retailers and Retail Associates of India. We work in the space of livelihood creation for persons with disability and young women from marginalized communities, from underserved communities. We are there since 2011. Our idea is to mainstream persons with disability and ensure that they have access to enough and more opportunities where they are financially and economically secured. Similar story with young women. Today, young women are capable of everything. They all need a little bit of hand-holding in terms of skilling, a little bit of training, which pushes them in the right direction, in the right career path, so that they can stand on their own feet. Last 14 years, we've been in 15 states. We've got more than 100 plus centers, skilling centers, where we work with these youth between the age group of 18 to 28. And we have trained now more than 55,000 persons with disability and young women in the last 14 years. And we believe this is the tip of the iceberg. But very early on, when we realized that we are working with such fragmented districts, locations, training centers, we realized that technology is going to be not an enabler, it's going to be the driver for us. And when I say driver, it was the start and end of everything.
At Train, we've been early adopters of technology. We started using tech very early in our journey. And there was a product that we were using for almost 7 years. Our journey was built alongside the product. And over the 7 years, we tried to build in as much features as possible. It was an off-the-shelf product that we were using. So there were certain limitations as far as customization is concerned. But since we were growing, we had the opportunity to build our processes in accordance with tech. Then there came a time in 2023 where the product that we had been using for almost 7 years had to be taken down. So we literally were in a situation where we had 3 months to modernize our technology, move platforms, and build out something that would ensure that our programs don't suffer. There is absolutely no effect on the ground. We did do a lot of research to find out which are the other tools, other products that we can use. We almost narrowed down on an off-the-shelf solution, but cost became a prohibitive factor. And that's when we got to know of Zoho Creator. We have been using Zoho for a while. We have been using various other products of Zoho. But that's when one of our tech advisors, Mr. Vikas Prabhu, actually nudged us to explore Zoho Creator. He said, just try it out, give it a shot, and I'm sure you'll find some magic coming out of it. And that's when we said, okay, we have very little time. We don't have a group of developers. I'm not a developer myself. I don't come from that background. But let's try it out. And that's when I spent around 2 days just trying to explore the product. And there was, I would say, light in my eyes when I saw that, because there was so much that I could do just within the 2 days, just because of how intuitive the entire product is. And that's when I came back and I presented to our founder, co-founder, as well as our team to say, here is a solution. And here is a partner that we have found, which is Edzola, who can help us rebuild our entire product within a span of 3 months, such that we are able to go live within 3 months. Now that was a very, very tight milestone that we had to hit. But given how flexible Zoho Creator is, I'm very happy to say that we were able to hit that milestone. In 3 months, we were able to draft out all the workflows from scratch, create it in the way that we want it to be, such that the tool is in sync not just with our current program, but the program that we envision for the future as well. And I think that's the magic that Zoho Creator actually brings to the table. So right from capturing beneficiary data, all their documents, the entire batch formation, we work with a huge ecosystem of NGO partners. So onboarding all our NGO partners, making sure that the batches start on time, along with certificate generation and what we in the industry refer to as retention or impact tracking. End to end is what we capture on Leap, which is built on Zoho Creator. So like I earlier mentioned, to be able to build a product from zero to, I would say, to the level that we wanted and deliver that within 3 months in a go live environment was something that was incredible. And we were able to do it only because we had a partner like Edzola, who understands Zoho and the capabilities of Zoho Creator. The other bit that I would like to talk about is, the flexibility that Zoho Creator as a platform brings in. For somebody like me who is a non-developer, I was able to quickly experiment and therefore go back to Edzola and say, hey, this is what we want. This is the way we want to build it out. And I think that made the process a lot quicker and faster as well. One of the factors to choose Zoho Creator was, of course, the fact that it was almost 70% lesser as compared to any of the other products. And for a non-profit organization, that is huge, right? So that, of course, made us instantly choose Zoho Creator. As on today, we manage close to around 55,000 plus records on Zoho Creator. All our student data and documents are there. And I think that is one of the biggest advantages of the platform. The second big thing is in terms of the integrations that we've been able to do. So it's not just Creator, but we've been able to integrate with attendance powered by HRMS, with Zoho CRM, with campaigns, and now we're exploring a few other aspects of the platform as well. So all in all, put together, it's turning out to be an entire ecosystem that is going to power the work that we are doing at Train. The third, I would say, benefit is in terms of the ease of use. So at Train, we have a large field team, which is in different parts of the country, working very closely with our set of NGO partners. Since they're on the field and they're traveling, for them, access to data and access to our system on the go is something that's very important. And that's where we've been able to leverage the mobile capability of Zoho Creator. So all the modules that we have built on the system, including dashboards, are available to our team on mobile, which means that wherever they are, they have real-time access to data. They're able to view attendance of the students in the classroom. They're able to do all their approvals while on the go. They can monitor the different centers that they work with, the different NGO partners that the team works with, and all this is available to them at one click within the Zoho Creator mobile app. And I think that's been a blessing for our team. They're connected, they're on the move, but they know what's happening at every center.
Our vision is to empower 1 million youth in the next 8 years, 2032. That is our goal, that is our vision. And if we have to do this, we have to reach every youth in every corner of India. And it won't be possible if we don't have the right amount of platforms via the technology that we are talking about. Zoho Creator is one such platform that has allowed us to not only curate, but also add all the bells and whistles that we require. I think Creator is like Lego. It's modular, it can build block by block. So this is where we are today, and I am sure that with Zoho Creator, we will be able to create end-to-end systems that we are looking at.